Hello guys, how are you all? Hopefully everyone will be safe and sound. Guys, once again I have come up with an amazing Forex trading broker who is providing $50 no deposit bonus 2024. Let's get started. How can we get $50 no deposit bonus from this broker? But before talking about the no deposit bonus, I wanted to say that watch this video complete so that you can understand all in the terms and condition. Milton's Market No Deposit Bonus 2024. New registrants only, no deposit bonus of $50. Exclusive for new registrants. No initial deposit required. Receive a $50 bonus upon account opening. Offer limited to those who open a Smart or Flex account for the first time. We'll gift you a $50 account opening bonus. After receiving your bonus, you can start trading immediately. Seize this opportunity and try out Milton Markets to the fullest. For those who already have an account, click here. To learn about the types of trading accounts at Milton Markets, click here. Duration: October 1, 2023, Sun, end date to be determined. Campaign details: for new registrants, we are gifting a $50 bonus to be used in trading for those who open an account, either a Smart or Flex account, for the first time. After opening your Smart or Flex account for the first time, the bonus will be granted automatically. No need to apply. Eligible accounts: Smart, Flex, PAMM investor accounts and discretionary accounts other than Smart and Flex. Accounts are not eligible for the account opening bonus. Elite account is not eligible. I want all of you to read withdrawal terms and condition your own because it has deposit as well. Hopefully you enjoyed video and learned something new. Please subscribe to our channel and like video and share it among your friends and family members. Thanks. Please note,